Hi guys, in this short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat app, click on force stop right here, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all these permissions or these notifications are enabled. Go back and then click on data usage. This is the most important step. Disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again, and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. After that, you have to open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Snapchat. That's it, guys. Now restart your phone. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.